So let's go directly to the star of this set, which is this pump. Alright, so what is great about this pump? I'll first demo this and then later on we'll go through it one by one. Okay, so this is the power button. This is where you put your tubing. This is where yung suction nangyayari. Dito mo ikakabit yung charger, yung USB cable. Tapos dito mo rin isasabit yung cord mo. Ayan. Okay. This is the front. Ito yung LED natin na phase. So, let's open it. Long press. Ayan. So, merong flashing symbols dyan. I will explain that later. This is the level. It goes all the way up to level 9. This is the timer. Ang auto off niya is 30 minutes. Battery. And this is the symbol for the modes. Ayan. Okay, so now how do we increase the levels? Push this triangle button up. Ayan, slowly. Actually, light touch lang. Ayan, oh, ayan, light touch lang. Ayan, if you can hear it. Ayan, parang mabilis ang suction niya. Now, to decrease, light touch ulit. All the way up to level 1. Alright? So that's the up and down function. Now, this is how you change the mode. Itong circle dyan. Right now, it's in the massage mode or the single drop symbol. We will now change it to expression mode. So, naging double drop symbol naman siya. And the third mode is the milk collection mode, or as how I call it, the mixed mode. This mixed mode, auto off niya is 5 minutes compared to massage mode and expression mode na 30 minutes. This mode naman, auto shut off is 5 minutes. So important yun to remember. Okay, so what is the fourth symbol? This is the latest addition to the Doopser collection. Kasi sa ibang pumps that we have, wala itong symbol na to. Kung mapapansin mo, kanina, di ba, merong blinking LED, right? So, nasa number 6. It's because, if you click this one, it goes to your favorite setting. This is my favorite setting, which is level 6 and expression mode. So, ganyan. Nice, di ba? So, if you already find the one that you like, the level that you like, all you need to do is just click this one. Alright? Okay. How do you close this?